turn it around. There are so many times in my life that I have seen my God turn it around.
Are you thinking of quitting the race? There is no need to give up on your journey, because I know my God will turn it around.
Okay. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Yes, today we come back with a very interesting story. Life can be tough, but it's during our darkest moments that we can find focus on the light. Life is full of challenges, and sometimes it can feel like the world is against us. We feel like, no, we have to give up. But remember, that is not your destiny. Your destiny is not failure. Your destiny is success. People face a lot of challenges like sickness. I know you have challenges like job loss. Even some have never got jobs. You have looked for a job more than 10 years. Since you finished your studies, you have lost hope. People have been battling with lots of sicknesses. You have lost hope. People have financial difficulties. They have lost hope. Academic challenges. Many students have no hope of succeeding in their studies because of financial difficulties. There are many challenges you are facing in life. I know there are many battles you are going through. You are fighting a lot of battles in your life. You have lost hope. No matter how difficult life gets, remember, there is always hope.
Are you weighing down my battles alive? Are you thinking of quitting the race? There is no need to give up on your journey, because I know my God will turn it around. I know.
Believe in yourself. Keep moving forward. No matter what kind of challenges you face, always remember, hope within reach. Keep believing. Keep pushing. Push. You will come out stronger on the other side. We have seen many people surviving deadly diseases like cancer. Why? It is because of hope. They believe, they fight. They are not meant to fail. We have seen many people taking 20 years of unemployment. They never lose hope. They don't get tired of writing thousands of applications to thousands of companies. They keep applying, they keep trying, every day rising up more stronger than yesterday. They are never demotivated by the past. They are never demotivated by the what they faced in the previous day. They are always fighting. Let all the challenges you've been facing before today, leave them behind. Regain hope. Restore the hope in you. Gain positive thinking. I believe you can make it. Hope is the belief that things can get better, even when they seem like it is impossible. I know you can do it. It's the matter of having hope. Hope is positive determination. And sometimes it takes someone to support you and even to understand you. And right now, I understand you. Here I am. I'm here to understand you. I know whatever you're going through. Keep fighting. Fight, fight, fight. Never lose hope. Never lose hope. You will achieve all kinds of happiness in life. My page is always there to give inspiration stories, inspiration messages, inspiration videos that can bring happiness to people, that can restore hope to people. You are not alone. We are many in the battle, including me myself. Take care of yourself. Don't let challenges define you. Don't let challenges define your facial appearance. Don't let challenges define your physical appearance. Wake up. Even if you have a lot of challenges, put on a smile on your face. That one keeps you more stronger. It will help you to gain more strength. Wake up. Stand up. I know you can do it. I know you can make it. I believe in you. Annette, I believe in you. I know you will achieve whatever you want to achieve in life. Develop hope in you. Restore the hope you lost. Restore the hope you lost when you looked for jobs for 1,000 years. Restore the hope you lost when you were sick. Restore the hope you lost when you had challenges in your family. Restore the hope you lost when you face all challenges you have in life. Strong people never quit. They face the challenges. They conquer the battles. They fight until they win. I know you're a strong person. Never lose hope. God will turn it around for you. It is the hope in you that will define you. The positive thinking you are going to develop today. Restore your hope. Develop positive thinking. Get ready. Rise up today. Stand more stronger. Face your challenges. Fight. Fight until you defeat them. You are not meant to fail. I believe in you. Okay. Global Hope for Nature and Humanity. It is my Facebook page. Our Facebook page is meant to bring hope to you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channels on YouTube. Annette at the Ugandan. You'll find more of inspiration stories.
Suffered from disappointment. Have some people turn their backs on you. Just keep holding on to the one who cannot disappoint. I know my God will turn it around.